Hey, Late Chickens fam, you guys know I'm a sucker for old games, especially when they get a fresh coat of paint. And Mass Effect Legendary, it's like seeing a phoenix with better feathers. So let's see what my chickens think. So we're getting all 3 original Mass Effects in one package, remastered and looking all shiny. But can it fix the game's quirks, or do they stink like a chicken coop after a rainstorm? You play as Commander Shepard, the galaxy's favorite space cop, and the character creation is still solid, and you can now make your Shep look even more like they are about to save the galaxy. But let's be honest, you are gonna play like a paragon. The goal: stop the big bad Reapers while romancing aliens. This is basically a space opera with a sprinkle of soap opera, and who can blame us? Now, for all of you who only know Mass Effect 2 and 3, listen up. The first game's graphics were, to be kind, rough around the edges, so BioWare had to do a full chicken makeover for that part. I mean, you should have seen the mess. The combat was clunkier than a chicken with 2 left feet. The original Mass Effect was like a baby bird still learning to fly. We had a lot of potential and some big clumsy mistakes. Luckily, the studio didn't just slap a fresh coat of paint on the old henhouse. They rebalanced the RPG elements, so Mass Effect 1 feels more integrated into the series. But don't get me wrong, this isn't a new breed of chickens. Some things like the cover system are as frustrating as a rooster in a tight cage. Why couldn't they just improve everything BioWare? But hey, the visuals? Gorgeous. Eden Prime looks like a freaking postcard. And the Citadel? It's like they finally cleaned up the coop. My eyes are blessed. And we have to talk about the Mako. They tried to make it more manageable, and while my chickens now tolerate it a bit more, it still handles like a cow on ice skates. However, the visual upgrades, story, and all the DLC content make this edition a solid experience. This is like giving my chickens the best seeds for 10 years. Okay folks, it's rating time. Mass Effect Legendary Edition gets 7 chickens. My chickens are impressed, but they will keep an eye on new games. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.